And Steve here from EstateMax with you once again for another great EstateMax estate sale. This time we're in the shadow of Walkersville High School, Walkersville, Maryland, right to the north of Frederick, Maryland. Beautiful area, easy to get to. We've got a lot of interesting stuff. This beautiful setup is Louis Philippe and Hawthorne type furniture from Bassett. It's in fabulous condition, complete with original decor, complete with odds and ends from World War II, including Marine Corps ephemera in a special room set up with that. How about this low boy with a granite top? I love that piece. It's really awesome. That's the leaf that goes in this round table. And that is a really, really solid china cabinet. Once again, take a look at this piece. Again, we're open the 18th, 19th, and 20th of September in Walkersville, Maryland. Address to be announced the day before on our Facebook page and on estatesales.net, estatesales.org. It's a better shot of some of the larger furniture and some of the smaller snowbirds. Incredible collection. This is the back wall snow babies, as Lori corrects me to say, on the back wall of the living room. Furniture's all in great shape. And this is a lift chair. Lift chairs are great. They will stand up for you if you have knee problems or if you have an arthritic problem of some sort. Walking towards the back of the house, towards the sunroom, which is an addition, you'll see some interesting dark oak combo set, which can be set up several different ways, along with some World War II Guadalcanal type of ephemera from one who served. Some great stuff. More in the basement, too. A lot of books, too. We got them in the basement. Some CDs and DVDs. That's some NIH. Now we're in the sunroom, which was an addition. Some great pieces here from the Bassett I was showing you earlier. Great round tables are classic. How about this leather sofa? This went for about $1,400 when it was new in the early 2000s. In great shape. It's a double recliner, so it'll release on both sides. It's really a beautiful piece. And wouldn't this make a great card table, along with the matching chairs? Corner cabinet, perfect for an entertainment center. Great oval table, you could use it behind a long couch. Everything you see in this video is for sale, including the carpet, the desk chair, and all the souvenirs. It's a swing through of the glassware, some really fabulous glassware pieces. Set up in what used to be a bedroom, I believe. Well, again, on the first floor. Okay, so miscellaneous lots of items in that same room. Let's take a walk through to the kitchen. Yep, these farm-style chairs are for sale. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Everything you need to outfit a kitchen, including a couple toaster ovens, a microwave oven, blender, whatever you expect to find in a kitchen. Careful on the stairs. Here we go down. Everything from toolkits to precision chronograph if you're a shooter. World War II ephemera, ancient pictures, collectibles, pipes, binoculars, several types of train sets, by the way, pretty much HO gauge looking. And if you like books, especially books and ephemera about the military, you have classic military calendars, a lot of military historical books. How about this record rack? I love this record rack. These are Wharfdale loudspeakers in the original cabinets from the early 1960s. Those are real collector's items. Check them out. They're worth a lot. Very good speakers. Again, we're going to swing by the back of the basement. Again, we have books, we have chairs, old VHS. You're welcome to dig through the multitude of books. That's an interesting radio. I don't even recognize it, and I'm an electronics guy. But the verbiage says, Nordmend Sterling is the brand of that radio. Looks to be from the 40s to me. If you're a shabby chicer, I've got a couple great sets of furniture for you to shabby chic. Once again, you're in the basement, along with the bushes. Now, if you like seasonable items, decor, and decorations, we have most of your major holidays covered here. This is Make Us an Offer. Pick up a box, tell us what you want to pay for it, no matter what your favorite season is, whether you're a Christmas person or a Halloween person or an Easter person, etc., etc. They've got a box of stuff for you. So come early, 18th, 19th, and 20th of September for best selection. Look at these things by the bin. Look at that. There's a headboard set, more books to sort through. Be careful on those stairs. In the back utility room, of course, we have the tool type stuff. Quick shot outside, we have some patio furniture. That's a potter's wheel. Here's a swing set. There's a hover around type mobility device, needs a little work. That's the bottom section of a 6-sided picnic table. We also have the rest of it too. Here's the rest of the 6-sided picnic table. We also have outdoor goodies for you to explore. Then lastly, come out back to this backyard shed and see what we have to explore. Everything from trimmers and blowers. Really nice mower. I like that. Odds and ends, chemicals, umbrellas. Let's make us an offer if it's not priced. Again, this is Steve with EstateMax for Lori saying we'll see you right behind Walkersville High School, Walkersville, Maryland by Frederick. 18th, 19th, and 20th. Details on estatesales.net on Thursday, including the address. Also on our Facebook page, which we cleverly entitled EstateMax. It's a nice house, a lot of stuff. So we'll see you then.